Okay, so we have heard a lot about you guys. You guys have been talking about it a
Lot?
time.
I would like to know what lot about us.
Now I would want to do a quick rapid fire as well.
Okay.
I'm sure it's going to be fun. Do you go?
Sure.
Awesome. So we'll start the rapid fire now. Okay. Now, just some basic questions. So, who is more obsessed with maintaining the aesthetics of the house?
Him.
Yeah.
He is. He will like look after everything. ये यहाँ नहीं है, ये वहाँ नहीं है, इसको वहाँ रखना, ये यहाँ रखना. Like, oh my god, too much. कौन देखता हूँ?
We're not particular. ये यहाँ पे
I've mentioned right.
Correct.
He's organized.
exactly this color should be there like that.
Wow. Okay. So, who decided the color scheme of the house?
Both of them.
Both of us.
Wow. Okay. One thing in the house you'd never let the other change. मतलब कोई ऐसा चीज, something that you are very particular about, कि ये तो यहीं पे रहेगा, इधर से इधर नहीं जाएगा. Anything?
Fish tank.
I will say puja unit.
Okay. By fish tank.
Because I want whenever I enter, I should see my fish from from office. It gives me a refreshing.
Okay. He's a fish lover. He also eats fish.
That's such a contrast. Yeah. Okay. Who takes longer to get ready?
Him.
Do I?
Yes.
I think he take.
No, I don't take.
Okay. What is the duration each of you take?
I take 2 minutes. He takes 15 minutes. So he starts before me, and whenever we finish, by that time he finishes.
I don't know. I never noticed. Wait.
What do you do so much get ready with me videos?
He changes his dress.
There, yeah, I agree there. I keep on like pulling out one cloth from wardrobe and see which one to wear. How this will gonna go with this pant, this shirt, this t-shirt, like matching things. And if I'm looking at the shoes, which shoes to wear. Yes, I take.
Who is more indecisive?
I-
You?
Yes, I can say yeah.
Okay. Who is more likely to host a party?
Me.
Yeah?
He don't have party. He don't even go for the party. I have to pull him with me. Come, let's go for the party.
Oh shit.
I just love going to gym. That's no party.
Do you get irritated like, oh, again Akash is hosting a party?
No, I don't do it.
I don't know. Might be.
Might be. He's not saying.
Okay, I won't cook for him, no?
Oh, that is how you threaten him.
Yeah, like something I have to control, right?
Wow. Okay. One habit of each of you that drives the other mad.
He keeps all the things here and there. I don't like it.
I simply come and throw my stuff. हाँ, अपना घर है यार. Who's gonna see?
And I have to organize every time.
And he always keep on yelling at me. इसको यहाँ कोई रखता क्या? Do you keep this and why are you keeping it here?
What about him?
Him.
हाँ, his.
Too much passionate about posing. भाई इतना कौन करता है? Even in gym he will pose, and home he will pose. He will take multiple time photos, daily photos. Like इतना time उसके पास है कि कर ले. Like I don't get time.
Why don't you do?
I really don't like doing. अपने को कितना देखो? How long I'll keep on seeing myself?
Acha, who is more marriage material?
Not me. I'm
Why?
like very cool. Like I don't want things to be very organized. Not like as in like organized. I want things as an organized, but it should not be so in a way that I should feel restricted with lot of ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है. And you know how married couple are like. When you're married, you have to follow what is being, not even being said, but the way it is being practiced over year and year again.
Okay. Okay. Now, how often do you both talk about your work life or personal life? आज मेरी girlfriend ने ऐसा किया.
I don't. We don't talk. हमारे पास time ही नहीं होता. We don't get even time. So I'll tell you. The schedule is like that. We both get up late in the morning around 10 or 9. Immediately get ready, rush to office. He come early. He come. No.
At 10 o'clock, I get up at.
Only when I don't go to office.
I'll go to office, see he'll be sleeping, and then by the time of 10, he'll get up and immediately get ready, and he starts his meeting and everything. God knows when he eats. I'll be in office that time.
He's a typical younger brother.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, he will get up he will leave office, he will come early and then he will sleep. If I'm in home, I won't disturb him because he will get angry. मुझे सोने दो, don't disturb
I
me.
need my sleep.
Oh yeah, one thing is about him, he really loves his sleep. I can compromise.
I love, there's a Bengali saying, Haat Khum.
Oh my god.
We Bengalis can't compromise on that.
Yeah, that's true.
Who is the unofficial, like home manager, kind of him? Yeah. Because he does the organization part and organizing everything.
He actually not even organized, he'll also see what is there in home, what is not there in home. He will make a note of it, okay, मुझे ये खरीदना है, वो लेकर आना
You
है.
can see my refrigerator, there's a notepad, I know everything.
मुझे नहीं, मुझे just
Anything is not there, I'll note it.
he will plan things, okay? When
I'm a good planner.
yeah, so when it comes to me, I just हाँ मुझे अभी ये चाहिए, I'll go buy it. But I won't plan it in advance कि I have to buy this and not. And like मेरा तो है like even when needed, I'll use it. I'll come with the like I will purchase or anything, arrangement or planning like that. Nothing कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
So who goes to gym more? Him. Whose bicep is more? Compare. Oh, wow. Okay. Who takes longer in the bathroom?
I think.
Undeniably.
Yeah.
Okay. So one thing your guests always compliment about your house.
Yeah. What this living area and the kitchen area and the puja unit. Oh, puja! Everyone have loved the puja unit.
Exactly.
And master bedroom.
First of it.
The kind of design we have done it, especially the wall cladding, that's really unique. You won't find it anywhere in the house that in general. But that is something they really, all of them have really loved it.
And the master bedroom is actually spacious. We didn't do anything to make it cluttered.
Yeah.
It's still like, if you enter, you feel like, you're in a big area.
Initially when I came in, when there was nothing, itna ho jayega, is it enough? But when we started placing a bed and other wardrobe, I'm okay, yeah, we are not supposed to walk in and roam around here. Yeah.
Lot of space. Okay. What is your each of you's go-to corner in the house? Chill corner, like go-to corner.
Mine is master bedroom's garden. So I love gardening. So everything is done by me. So I love to spend some time there. Like checking what's my plants are doing. Is growing or not growing.
And scolding at me, yet tum pani nahi dalte ho, you're gonna kill my plant.
What do you get most scolding for?
Oh, like for throwing my stuff here and there in the room.
He's like managing a kid.
Kinda.
True.
Both,
Yes.
he managed both of us.
Okay. Okay, one last question. What does home mean to you in one word? First we'll have Akash, then we'll have.
Home mean
What
to-
does home mean to you?
home mean to me my own space. Space where I can feel free and do whatever I like. That's what for me is home means.
For me, it is a cozy place where I'm tension free completely. I can forget anything in my life and enjoy with my family. Best.
Wrap up.
Thank you.